Hello. Is cyber vetting ethical? Personally, I think it is. HR departments are asked to do more. Today's HR departments are asked to recruit, vet candidates, support workplace safety training, be the mediator with employer and employee, check compensation benefits for employees, be sure the company is in compliance with all labor laws, and assist with training development of employees. On average, there is 2.5 HR employees per 100 employees. As companies increase in size, this number drops to 1 HR employee per 100 employees. So, what is an HR manager to do to find the right candidate for the open positions when they are stretched thin and wearing so many hats? Utilizing cyber vetting will help the HR manager to find qualified candidates for the position. If we're going to live our lives as an open book, there should be no reason that companies cannot use this information to make judgment calls about you. After all, companies are in business to make money, not just to provide jobs. Here are a couple questions that I'd like to see answered. Should there be laws concerning the ratio of HR employees to employees? If someone can be Google searched, is that information private? Here are my sites. Thank you.